Also, I want to teach you the color selection. It's most important part of motion graphics. For example, there is white side. There is the most saturated part. Try to not use this side because these colors are very saturated and we call it screaming colors. They makes eyes tired. You should use these sides. By B parameter 18, S parameter also 80. Something from here. Whatever color you use, if blue or red, it's not matter. Try colors from these sides. And when you are creating background, try to adapt it from shape color. You can use gray or white at first. Don't make them also very saturated. I will add one more thing. Now this animation is not fast. Let's choose fast one. Okay, we have this animation. When your animation is fast, select that all. I will show you. We have here motion blur. Click here and enable it from here. Let's see the difference. You will understand it on examples. It makes some blur of motion, as you can see. If you will turn off, you will see the difference. We need it because naturally when something moving fast, our eyes will see the edges blurry. If you can't see this button, switch it from here or use toggle switch mode. After you pressed it, you have to enable it from here.